Doing some basic maintenance to my dryer. It was making some noise, so I got to dig into it anyway. It's a newer Admiral dryer, and I just wanted to show you guys how to clean a dryer out, because everybody has that problem at one point or another where your dryer will stop drying clothes very well. And so what you need to do is you need to clean out the lint traps that's actually inside the dryer. So you got to get into the dryer to do that. I didn't see a video on this type of dryer. Most dryers have a plate in the back of the dryer, which would be over here, and this one doesn't. It's on the front because the lint trap is right here in the front. It just has this, it just slides on down in there. Anyway, so you just want to take all this stuff off and get to it. But how you get this one open, since it doesn't have the back door because the stuff's all in the front for maintenance, you take a putty knife, and this would be the front here, and then you push it in this way underneath there, or a regular screwdriver, and you just collapse that, and then this door here will swing open. It takes 2 screws to get this off, one on each side. And that's pretty much it. I'm gonna have to make a couple different videos of this because I haven't actually got into the ductwork yet, but this will hopefully help some people. I never seen one of this type on YouTube, so I'll be the first that I know of to post on here and hopefully help out everybody that has that problem with their dryer. You don't need a new dryer, you just need to get into yours and open it up. If you've got the one on the rear, just undo the rear, and it's just the same procedure pretty much, but it was kind of a difficult thing to do to figure out how to actually get into this one because it doesn't have actual screws. Everything's flush. So alright, this concludes my first video.